Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're
Back
back
with
with
another
another one,
one.
Mafetu. Better Machimbusi, Mafetu. Straight from a 2-0 victory. We just beat the Chipa United, Mafetu. As per usual, Mapagania, we're here to give you our analysis. Petu Mr. Mlambo. Mr. Mlambo, how are you, sir?
I'm good, mfethu. We approaching a festive season. Yesterday it was the last games Laleka and you've been winning, mfethu.
Yeah.
Now uyabona sizonona manje. We getting fatter and fatter ntanga.
So done. Cool story, sir.
Abathabile babinabari happy people. Happy days abafakani ajabulile bafethu. Aboboy basibambile bayasijabulisa. Back at it again, ibekele back. Siyabaphinda abanye Saturday.
And there you with Mapagania, Coast is very happy of it too. Mr. Mlambo is singing along. Happy studio of it too. Danga, let's get straight to it in Danga. Obviously before he came, actually after he came, he did post-match interviews. Yang Zola Mapagania came out as per usual Mapagania. Siyabonga Mapagania, much love of it, one love, and even though sibene imvula izamile ukusiphazamisanyana but obviously we came on the other end ngiyangithola and I appreciate amabhakania that came through ntanga how were the interviews.
The interviews me wamnandi kakhulu and I think you've covered the very most important part ukuthi amabhakane they still came even if like he were mengekho grand. But like what I also liked ukuthi ngathi nabo mebasikhumbulile yangithola ngendlela esibakhumbule ngayo because I saw the energy when they come there. It was so marvelous to be with them tang. But I think yesterday like we had good interviews as I always say. But mina for this week in Tanga I'll give the one and only in Tanga. Umuntu ongana honors, umuntu ongana degree, umuntu ongana diploma, umuntu one PhD. Yangithola.
PhD in football analysis.
Danga, there is no one Danga who deserves to be called PhD yangasebenzanga. I think the name suits him. Yangithola, because like he has PhD, Yangithola, like the knowledge he has or the way he explains football, like I think it's broader.
Yeah.
I think ngiyamupha Danga with no fear or favor.
Yeah.
Intelligent analysis.
Brilliant. Danga from PhD. It's what we came to expect, Yangtol.
Yeah.
He built himself a name in this industry, Yangtol intention. Shout out to him, he must continue to do what he's doing. Consistency is very key. Coast, who was your favorite?
I'm nangihamba no Obi bafethu.
Yeah.
Younger brother ka Rairi.
Mhango.
Kapatino mang.
Yeah.
Ngibambe off card ile athothi futhi. He's my brother by birth. Yeah, lady.
Father, same mother.
Same mother, same father.
Yeah.
That was my favorite. To be honest.
Yeah, that was my favorite as well. Onzola. Linda, obviously, it was by surprise in because when he came, I was like, okay, let's see if Pagani Funukti, but when he started to speak, and he was like, before the interview, please, no Venek, because I don't understand Sotho, I don't understand Zulu. Let's stick to English, young intention. And then when he tell me who is related to Young Dol, I was like, wow, Young Dol. We attracting like
International.
Yeah. We attracting internationals. Shout out to him, Young Dol. And shout out to Amayama Pagani, the likes of Samas, who's always there. Beekeeper, Young Dola, brilliant interviews as well. Tatana, Tonga Oak, even put a dead kid.
Original.
Yeah. I didn't see you, Papas. I was disappointed. Papas, man, come back, Papas. We need you. And then, obviously, in Tanga, Sangen, I'm fit to witness the game, Young Dola. Thoughts on the game overall?
Overall, I'll start by saying ukuthi angiyawathanda amagame asebusuku ntanga yazi cause like
Uyawathanda?
yeah amagame asebusuku they're so nice cause nama-gents I think iweather is so good for them mabedlala ngalesa sikhathi.
Yeah.
I think the game yesterday we started well ntanga cause like we pounced on them we
Yeah.
shown ukuthi we want to score first minute we went on them yangithola
Yeah.
first 10 minutes Hoto tried to make some crosses ukuthola uMbuthuma Moremi also as well.
Yeah.
Buthuma, he was just unfortunate not to score. But I think first 10 minutes we play so well and then Ichipa has contained. As much as we're playing so well, MasterChef trying to create spaces, but I think it was not happening for us. Like Young Tola from 15 minutes in because
Yeah.
we were not that. We were not a threat, but subs coach second half ntanga they changed the tempo of the game because
Yeah.
we managed to get a goal ngabo. I think yesterday it was a difficult match as much as midlala kahle in terms of us scoring goals, but I see happy ntanga.
Ne?
We happy.
You mentioned amasapo and that. You know, initially I didn't agree with that. It's like it didn't make sense to me too. Obviously we chasing a game, young so like, we're trying to equalize, and then you obviously when you compare Umbata, when you compare him to Konje who's
Makaul.
Kehleni Makaula, young tall. Obviously Kehleni Makaula is more defensive, young tall. I really have Umbata. We can play like forward passes, cool, young tall in danger.
But
And then okay, you can go on.
no, you can go on. I'll just
And then another one was yaga riding, yaga MasterChef. Because for me, I think MasterChef was in the game. Konje who replaced MasterChef
police.
was Polipoli, young tall in danger. Okay, Polipoli was a positive one, but I thought he should have taken a risk, maybe to take off maybe a defensive player for a Polipoli, young tall. But obviously in the end it worked, young tall in danger. And for me, the game in general, and I like it's all grand, young tall. Yeah. And as I said, it's not always played in paper because when you check the log table in Tagangtala, we second from top, young Tala. When you check Chipa United, they're at the bottom of the log, not doing very well. But immediately if you to referee Magasha young Tala, you couldn't tell the difference, young Tala.
Yeah.
Like if those guys, if it wasn't a plan, young Tala, although they didn't have too much ambition, young Tala, but if to contain us, uthi nathi sibe frustrated the way we were, young Tala, because we tried ukuthi sidlale ngama-side, young Tala. It was key quick, we try ukuthi siphahlaze la emaphakathini, but still yangithola bebasibambile and mfana shout out to Parul get to MasterChef bana fit anyway waphula ngakhona lamawino ntanga like I was really impressed if you thinking yabona this position if it yangithola as much as ngakhala ukuthi uma songanye it's not featuring lately yangithola into enjani but when you check his replacement if you can say ukuthi as in again too much depth yangithola.
Yeah.
But overall game in Dang, I wasn't too frustrated, yangithola. Immediately when we got the first goal, it was only a matter of time until we get the second goal, because obviously they were defending too deep, yangithola. Coach, how did you see the game?
No, I think pretty much the same sentiments. But I think overall we can say Uti Amachens are like grand.
Yeah.
And yeah, not a lot to complain about. We buried 2 chances, 2 goals in fact. So I mean I'm happy with the performance of Amachens.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just one thing, in terms of isapya kama Kaula and Bat.
Yeah.
Angithe mangifika man ngayicabanga nami ukuthi was it ideal. Then I think it was because if you remember Mbata was on a yellow. Yangithola.
Yeah,
playing with the yellow. Him ukuthi bamkhiphe there. I think it was a good move because we do not want him to miss the games. We do not want him ukuthi athole a red card, yangithola.
Yeah.
But I think coach ends ama good subs because if you can check also like he baba swing the game.
Yeah. I think that yellow it's a good point, because obviously we don't want to risk. And I'm not saying Uti Umbata nae he had
Good game.
maybe a 10 out of 10 performance in doing. Just that Uti is a type of player that can come up with a long range banger. Just like that, you 1-0 up, something that Kehleni doesn't have. And for me, I think Udading Umasindi wasn't really in that game is all. Ngithola. If I wanted to pull someone, I would have pulled Udading, Unomtachele, ngithola. But that point, the yellow card is it's a very good point because obviously we don't want to be chasing a game with 9 men down, ngithola. And then coach AP in down for a performance as well.
Kiposo la man. Lo yamchita ipoza ntanga.
Yeah.
Angazi kusamele ngiqhubeke ngisho ukuthi the way asetha i-team yakhe ngakhona like uzoba frustrated uzohlala esikhuluma ngama-subs uhlala esikhuluma ngani but
Yeah.
I think it's not a fluke ukuthi like izinto zakhe zihlale zisebenza or it's because we have squad depth or what. I think his tactics work because like he's done it 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. That means uye yangithola like une-impact towards i-game. When we score ngikubonisile zona
You went to the
kukaMaplay
goal,
yakhe
yeah,
yangithola like he's showing the love. I think he's one of us now. We can't run away from that as much as like angakawini izinto ezibhaya but I think naye like uyilethile stability nokuthi siyithembe i-team yangithola. I think he has been doing so well trying to give everyone game time, trying to give uKhehleni game time since abuya because sizomdinga at later stages uyangithola. I think like we set up i-team yakhe kahle angiyamka 10 mfethu ngimncishe.
Performance as well, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, mfana, we can cry mfethu sathini mfethu the guy mfethu ibambile ntanga ngithola into enjani that we can't deny him there mfethu like uyibambile mfethu ngithola into enjani from mfethu the way okay obviously as we said the last time ntanga like not everyone will be happy ngithola but the way he tries to give other players ngithola ama minutes ngithola obviously as a person now ntanga surely you have your favorite players ngithola and we can safely say ukuthi naye he has his favorite players ngithola the likes abo Nomtajela ngithola into enjani Moremi has always been his favorite ngithola into enjani so those players they'll always be there ngithola into enjani but at least when he's trying to integrate other players give them minutes ngithola into enjani because it's very, in fact, you can give us anyone. In fact, you can give us Pizzo, give us Rulani, you can even bring Pep. It's going to be difficult to manage this squad because this squad it's a huge squad. With a lot of quality. I wouldn't argue with a 10. I think in fact is doing well. And then moving on to Sipo Chain,
Top performance yesterday.
clean sheet, yeah.
Clean sheet nangaphandle kwe-clean sheet we always cry about ukuthi uSipho akaspani kakhulu. I
Yeah.
think yesterday there were times lapha spana khona.
Yeah.
First half Evanga kunalapha amshaya khona. I think uSibisi missed the ball yangithola cause kunalapho nje Messi shake move.
Yeah.
They tried ukuthi bamshaye. He came to the part second half lapho Slida 1-0 mesiminyeka kubhlungu kabi.
Yeah, yeah,
Yangithola
yeah.
they got a ball from the right bayibuyise phakathi washaya walivimba ngeenyawo then bashaya futhi wayivimba futhi. I think he was playing so well yangithola. Distribution yakhe I think it's getting better now yangithola
Yeah.
delaying ngeball but what he can improve on kunalapho ntanga ulibitso I think it happens 2 times 3 times is there. Give him the ball yangithola cause uvulela ibhola kahle but naye umuntu yangithola like he can always improve from there but I think yesterday the guy had a good game ngizomka 8
Yeah. Now I'm guy 10.
because of that I think he must improve that because like yabona these small details in the game
Yeah.
they delay us singaboni
Yeah.
because Libitso is open there you must pass him the ball because uzofuna wena ukuyisa le phambili ukuthi siyilwele rather than if you take the ball there we're able to play fast maybe we can get a goal from those moments. So I'm giving him an 8 ukuthi like there's a room for improvement. It didn't do izinto ezibhaya wrong yangithola. I'm not saying he did things wrong but I'm giving him an 8 so that he can improve
Yeah.
from like in terms of playing because nase squadini kuyadlalwa
Yeah.
yangithola. For him to get there he must improve from the team level.
Yeah. He had a brilliant game Sipo Chain for me as well. He managed to rescue us in fact immediately after we scoring. Because remember, after you score in fact, like those like first 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, that's where you become vulnerable in
Like focus.
Yeah, and Chipa tried to capitalize on that. Then he came to our rescue, Not much to complain about, yangithola. And I like this is distribution is all, yangithola. Yeah, I think there was that instance where Spunuta shy side in and then he played it in the middle, yangithola. He saw a space there, yangithola. And immediately when he played trap, there's no one around him. You say, wow, that's some vision, yangithola, and that's some execution, yangithola. I think the one thing that he must do, Usipho, he must try to talk to those young men, ball boy, in fact. Like in fact, he's all over frustrated, and it's not the first time kala ball boy, yangithola. Kona leyo nto ukuthi mfethu like masi maku agent, yangithola. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe bashaya ibhola leya kumafeni, yangithola. Iball boy le cause ithu angithi ngala emabholweni. Lenye izokhahlela ibhola mhlawumbe ikhahlele kakhulu iye fieldini and then hayi kumafeni nawo wayikhahlela ngithola ngene yara. I think there must be communication between Sipho Chain and the ball boys. Sometimes they play it short, mele aze island, yangithola. There's always confusion, yangithola, in that department. I think he must just speak. I mean, we're playing home, Faith.
And it's not him alone, Dang. I think like the ball boys now, they must be trained for lezi into lezi.
Yeah. So, yeah, someone must train at the ball boys, but because he's playing home, I'm thinking Guti Sipho maybe is familiar with these young men because obviously they always go in danger, so they can build that relationship to say if it, you know, Uti Polo Mali Mali on the fence. Rather, let's wait for that ball to come back so that's Laleona. Unlike in Castle, mina ma also to attend a lady. Konelinye sekunamapolo ethu we delaying, I think communication must be better between the two. Coach, do you agree with the 8 Mr. Mlambo?
Yeah, definitely. I think Uchina had a very great game as well. So nothing to complain about. Distribution was on point. So yeah. Nitheni bonga mnika mfana like
Yeah. Now I'm leaning more towards a 10
Yeah.
considering the clean sheet as well. And that clean sheet he made in fact that clean
Spanish.
sheet with Spanish and then moving on to man of the match. Yeah, ready. Yeah. Betway is all on Tanga Tieno too.
He was also my man of the match.
Yeah, it was as well.
Yeah, he was. I think Nyamkai 10, Dang. Because like the guy was focused yesterday.
Yeah.
Young tall. And Ama crosses came in for me, they were so good. As much as we are not playing so well, like first half in terms of not like good but like in terms of us, so Zamukor. Umtholega ingakho Mbuthuma for Mbuthuma to score. I think Boma 2 times or 3 times angithola. Second half Ndanga like the assist like cherry on top mfethu, like it's a good assist for him to get that run. Peluri luhlakaniphile angithola uthi lamuphe alibuyise, it's a good one. See mama game thing on the side, the guy was always there. When he has to mark a mover, the guy was always there. I think he's always deserve it 10 with no fear of favor.
I haven't had the chance to watch it back, but I had PhD. I didn't see. I had PhD that he tried to shoot that one. I love it. That elevator.
Asiboni ukufana ne ayimagara iwani PhD.
The guy trying crossbar.
It's very possible.
There.
You wouldn't put it past me. But it was obvious.
That one was a cross.
And I mean, I haven't had a chance to watch it back. But for me, it looked like very
Ngibonile.
Yeah,
it was a cross.
Let's see my highlights in that.
Yeah.
The man of the match. And it's interesting. As a ball on down, like as Silbonu ngofana ngithola danger. Sometimes you get I want to motivate you like do you know what it's a man of the match ngithola.
Sorry kukuvima. Ngisho nini la? Nginibuzile noyithu.
Yeah. I think it was around
85 or
something minutes. Yeah, ngithola into enjalo. Yabona mothi you know to ufuna ukuhleka ngithi aru Mr Mlambo naye ayithanda controversy ngithola into enjalo. But when I heard if like uma interview amanye amabhakani avele akhala ngodiyeno, I'm thinking maybe there's something I didn't see, young. And that's the beauty of football, in fact. Because I saw an average performance from Wout, I'll be honest. He tried to do those runs. UCM tried now, poor execution, or maybe not poor, but not up to his normal standard cross ball. So UCM, tried to fight for them there and there. Obviously, defensively, they didn't give us two problems. I think the person who was having issues first half it was Lebitso, but too high.
But they also tried second half. If you can check, they also tried to come inside in lag. As people safe, Liza ngada.
Yeah.
Masiqeda ukora bazile bomaka 2-3 times ngada inside in lag.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
not
yeah.
much, but bazile.
Yeah. Whose thoughts on Dianoto's man of the match performance yesterday?
Yeah, Tien Hoto, man, it's always Tien Hoto for me. Yeah, the assist, as I'm saying, I was leaning more towards what PhD said. It was probably a shoot.
Did you see it?
I didn't see it. Now, it's obvious. Stadium, mara after my interview, Magashu PhD, it made sense. Yeah, but I'll admit I haven't went and checked the replay. Yeah. But from experience, Nyamazu Hoto, area. I mean, I'm shy,
I love to go and look back at it. Because uthi ndanga vele unayo lento le ebugrade nyana vele
True,
yeah.
That was a cross ntanga.
Yeah.
That's
miss kick.
If yabona bafethi VAR bafetha anishayeni. That was a cross. Mapagania, please comment there. That was a cross.
Yeah. And then uSpisi ndanga ndanga uSpisi lesikhathi stadium amanye amabhakani
Ngayimuva
kwethu you think ukuthi like you think ukuthi ane agenda yangithola into nje even before he kicked the ball and it was like ngathi uSpisi bekabamamela because immediately after that he started being shaky mfethu wangunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngayo yangithola. So there was those two guys. I don't know if you had them, Coast. I think when I know nobody you at that time.
Yeah.
These guys in fact like if you start to top low, my one. Hey, see the guy you one. Hey, as it says, if I was species, no. Hey, species. When it's in, is it you are two?
Hey, species.
Atatazela. Hey, I must for species for woman, species atatazela. Like I call out for ball. Nang, peg. I shall mistake into I'm sorry. I mean, I feel like Zankenya because I get Yamazu Podela and it's been consistent this season. It's been giving us decent.
Not
most of the time.
Like from the past 4 seasons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although I didn't rate him at first. I think I started to him rate like I think last season.
I've been.
But in fact, you can't question who rating like this season. In fact,
international player.
In fact, squad in fact, you see this squad Ilomchita. In fact, to have to no faith in him, to even before he came in Kala. And he's our captain at that time. Pay in mind, this guy is
it's coming from Ninja.
Young Zol. I think he had a shaky game, Young Zol in Tinjan. Although now, okay, but he's been playing, but now it doesn't help. On this game, you're on right center back, Young Zol. On this game, you're on the left, Young Zol. And then you used to playing in Umbokazi, and then this game you playing with Siema, that chip and change, Young Zol. They can affect the player, those small things sometimes. Thoughts on his performance is on?
First thing first, I'll say he must adapt. That guy is a professional, and we know it. He has been good. He has been good for us. I mean, like Nyatsuga, like Amapagania, like from any player. But the PhD ushilo ukuthi like I'm a player like Tina, I'm a Pirates fans understand the ball and take nothing away from them. That's how they see it. But nothing to get and they question no Podela.
The
fight of Pagania
like at all.
but it's football.
Yeah.
Asikuboni ngokufana.
Yeah.
But like yesterday, yeah, he had some few mistakes, especially first half. But like he's also a human being. He can improve from that. Yabona nale element yokuthi now he's on the left, yangithola.
Yeah.
He can improve from that. But I don't think ukuthi after lawo ma mistakes lawo, he was too bad first half, yangithola. He tried to be there. Uthasilwele, yangithola, because Chipa was not giving us easy time. But I don't think he had a marvelous game. I'll give him a 6.
Yeah.
But I don't think he had a bad game. Kakul.
Yeah.
Yeah. Futhi it's a 7, danga. Let me just not say a 6, a 7.
Wow. I think you're lenient. In fact, I don't think he had that 7 performances, 7 out of 10 performances. Or
Giving him a 7.
cause in fact, cause he was shaky, fan. I don't wanna lie.
Mara those two things.
Yeah.
Imapha amanye ama instances. Ilawa yi2 nyana.
No, second half, Ntanga, where he tried to clear the ball, he let it bounce. And then quickly after that, in fact, you under attack.
Yeah.
Yeah, not as a guide player.
First half.
Ile
ya first half.
like uncharacteristic. In fact, as a defender, you can't be making more than 3 mistakes at the back.
Yeah.
You know, they can cost us 3 goals literally because
Yeah.
you are the last line of defense.
True.
So, like, anything, bang, bang, just like that. Cheaper, it takes 3 points against us. So for a defender, I mean, Tangana, you always crying a mistake one. I see him.
It's not like that. Yeah, but ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah. So as a defender, you must be close to perfect. In fact,
Yeah.
I think he had an average performance for me. Coach, what do you think of Paul, our captain?
No, I'll agree. I was looking at more of Boma A5 or one. But I'll allow him, man. I think for me, I wouldn't be harsh on him, because whatever he hasn't been getting a lot of game time, and again, I'm fit. He's been giving us like 100% one. So the effort is there. And okay, age man fit yawula ngwenya mfethu wabona phela uyibone aqeda umesabholelo re mfethu awuna moya la mfethu wazama ukhava la
I think that he pays.
mfana
I think he pays. I like pays that.
aish but yeah for nane nikibona ile more of like the legs as well. Diyafela boy. Mthole ukhoti mfethu khala matha boy.
Ukhoti intwana lo muntu lo.
Unangaki
28, 29, 30 la.
Yeah. He's
Ay,
not that
croissant
old.
it.
Yeah.
Ay croissant ngitezi.
Bumadani.
Yeah, Bomateti, Max. He's not that like Bohotu. Otu mfethu.
Bomakhaula.
Amakhaula wanto. I think at the age of Boma 28, 29, 30.
Yeah, there.
That's where you should be on your prime. I think it looked out decline as a Roma 33.
Yeah.
You want to?
Sure.
I think in fact he still has a
He
good
still
maybe
has
more
a
4 seasons ahead of
Good
him.
ones.
Good one.
And I'm getting worried. Gary is slowing down, man.
Yeah.
It's just
Yeah.
But as we said as well, in and out. Lona, it doesn't help him.
Sure.
But I think now that Mbegezeli is going, at least he'll get more minutes.
Yeah.
He'll get more minutes. But when he's going, the likes of Obanda, they come in now, they overflowing. Hectic.
I would have loved to see that yesterday.
Ne, I thought I would really don't know what my
Hey.
So you said an average cost for you.
Yeah, 5 for yesterday.
Yeah, I will just go with the 5, Mr. Mlambo. 7 is too high. And then moving on to his partner in crime, Musiama.
I think Usiyama yesterday had a good game, Yangtol.
Yeah.
He managed to clean ama mistakes Gasbis. That's why we need repairing for Yangtol.
Yeah.
The boy is always willing to sacrifice to share sponsor. Especially first half. I think first half like cheaper could like this was taller like on the count and but he always came to the rescue when we needed him. Yes, but I think yesterday he had a stellar game, good one. And I'm guy 8.
Yeah, I think like between the two of them, I think he was the one who was
Yeah.
slightly on top, young Tol. Not much to do as well, you know. It's sometimes we can cry about CVC, but obviously you must always be on your 100% concentration wise.
yeah.
Ne? But sometimes if you're playing against a team that like they are not interested in going forward, they just want to defend. Yeah, okay, they'll get an odd chance there and there. Young Tol, as a
Yeah.
defender, it's very difficult to rate you. Young Tol in danger. And apart from your offenses or offensive passes, Young Tol, as we said, he didn't get them right yesterday, but you know, on his day, he always gets them right. So I think I agree with the 8.
Yeah.
And then moving on to our right back,
Libito.
Libito, yeah.
Kamalami. I think he had a good game down. There was this instance first half lapho akhava ngale on the left.
Yeah.
Yangithola, like he won lot of balls.
Yeah.
Like Libito Ntanga is always there. And what I like about Libito, like not here personally without even playing football.
Yeah.
Umuntu okhama ngithola kunamsindo kuloya mjita loya is humble. And I think like since athole opportunity yokubuya, like he has been giving us good performances yangithola, like I'm happy to see Libito adlala kanje ntanga after a long time of him not playing. I'll give him a 10 ngeke ngimncishe.
Yeah, it was a good battle between him and that number 9 guy.
Ficarero, that guy is so good now.
Yeah.
Yes, Kakaka.
He's Kataka.
Hey,
Yeah,
so good.
I think he had a number of him, on him first half.
That
So
guy
I think it was two.
Go Richards Bay. He's dangerous.
Yeah, he's dangerous.
It's
You could
dangerous.
see, and he can use his body. Young Todd in danger. 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
Host,
Yamka.
your favorite player. Do you think he deserves a 10 out of 10 performance yesterday?
Yeah, I think Mfetu Folbito Mfeti is one of those players, man. You know, when he gets a 10, man, you can't dispute.
Yeah.
Man. He's very good. I think he had a great game yesterday. You saw him going forward, you know, defending. Didn't see him make any mistakes. So yeah, I ngamupana mintanga 10.
10, eh?
I couldn't really pay for TV.
Nice.
Segunja.
For me, I will be so like, I don't think it was a 10 out of 10 performance. But I agree. I agree. PFC young dollar, but for me it was maybe a young 7. Young dollar.
Yeah.
Moving on to our talent of talent but
Talent but Sila.
yeah.
Yangithola. It was I think akabanga negame eli marvelous, but akabanga negame elibi futhi. Yangithola. I think that also that yellow card I think it was unnecessary ukuthi ayithole. Because
Yeah.
it was cost and thing izinto ezisoze cost.
Yeah,
But like angeke ngimsole kakhulu mfethu. There was nothing much to be done yesterday. Yangithola njengoba ichipa vele mengasatheki kakhulu mekuleyo counter encane ini.
Yeah.
But talent was always there. Like I love a midfielder who's going to be always there. If ukade imali singakutholi so le at least mawuhleli lapha is
Yeah.
good. And like what I saw him yesterday trying to do, because taking a tempo yethu when we take the ball to the side was slow.
Yeah.
Yangithola. He tried to break a window to get to MasterChef because MasterChef was comfortable on the ball. I think I like that about him.
Yeah.
Uyakhona ukushaya German pass. Yangithola. There was this one and it goes to ayenze kanjalo. I mean, I saw the vision, yangithola, but the execution maybe ayenzakalanga kahle. But I think he didn't have a marvelous game, didn't have a bad game. I'll give him a 6, yeah.
Yeah, it was a decent performance.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. For me, in the talent, it didn't rise up to the occasion. Is all young. So few sloppy passes, young. So in
Yeah.
it was lightweight. Young. So like forward players with cheap on feet, just shovel him out of the way. I'm not sure. I'm young. So. Like if it I was frustrated. Oh, surely you saw of it, young daughter. Like if it and something he needs to improve is that when you're not having like a good game, young daughter. Maybe when it's not your day, young daughter, just keep it simple, young daughter. You have a master chef, you have a really. you have abomoreni mushukele angithola into enjani, just play it to your nearest person uzibuyisa i-confidence angithola. It doesn't help ukuthi wena you always want to penetrate and it doesn't come out angithola, always want to penetrate and it doesn't come out angithola. You know ukuthi you believe in your quality, but sometimes in fact you just take a chill angithola uzibuyise egaming. After maybe 15 minutes you try futhi with those penetrating passes angithola. You said you're rating him
Guy 6.
6.
Yeah.
I think the 6. You can take a 6 in fact. You can take a 6. Moving on to his partner in crime, uNomtatshela.
7 days ngeviki.
Yeah. Oh,
360 10.
Yeah.
360 degrees.
Yeah.
Ukhumbuza uPepe mfana. Wangikhumbuza uPepe.
Ntanga khona. uPepe ntanga. Hayi uPepe. Into esifuna ukuyibona le ngithola. 3 qeda uqala igame ntanga lo muntu lo ujika njengetopo suka wena. But I think yesterday he didn't have a stellar game. Yangithola, it's one of those. We can give it to him. He's also a human being. Yangithola, angeke simsole kakhulu. And coach uyabelieve kuye kakhulu.
Yeah.
You've been crying. Why bangamkeep? There's something ukuthi akayibonayo thina singayiboni yangithola. But I don't think he had a good game. But he didn't also have had a bad game ukuthi ahalisa amabhola ukuthi nje bekangaveli. Bekangaveli like mekangathi player akabonakalayo. I think for that I'll give him a 5. Because like usually we'll see Nomtatshela ukuthi avela azama ukuthinta azama ukuyenzana, but I didn't have a good game, a bad game at all.
Yeah, average. I think that's fair mfana. I think Nomtatshela and like sometimes he become anonymous man in the game yangithola. He hides himself yangithola into enjani. Izovela lapho nalapho yangithola, but for a number 8 yangithola, I'm expecting ukuthi he must always show up, try to link up play yangithola into enjani. Of which for the recent games he hasn't been doing that. For me yangithola into, he hasn't been doing that. Mela zama ukuzibuyisa yangithola. And obviously it's a coach's favorite player yangithola into enjani, but coach naye mele ambeke esayidini mfethu wambonisa ukuthi ntwana mawungekho ntwana at least okay zama ukuyilanda la yangithola la emuva la yangithola in center backs usibuyise egamini ngalama short pass yangithola into enjani. What do you think of Nomtatshela?
Yeah, bafethu uyanizwa nakhala, yazi mina ngikhali kakhulu ngo-John Wick into. Yeah, I feel like uboy wasn't really bad yabo la ukuthi yabo. So and I think man singamshayi kakhulu, singambulali kakhulu bafethu. Oyabo sazosigaya amagame amnandi uboy. For me nje it's disk njani man, it's just a run of form maybe enibonayo my chance, but mina overall I'm complaining boy. Ne rating nje I was looking at a 6 mina yabo. Yeah, yabo multi 6, yeah, I would agree with you. But the 5 I feel like it's a bit like unfair. Yeah, I say shady PFTV.
It's to your fans.
No.
It's a 5 performance.
Phela you can change if umunye umuntu like uyakubonisa hayi.
Sure. Point taken.
Yeah, I'm changing.
Changing. I easily influenced.
To a wise man changes his mind.
It's not about influence.
Sure.
Yeah. And then moving on to MasterChef Ntanga. For me, he was my man of the match. And to MasterChef mfethu, like he has that thing mfethu ukhona ukuphula iwindow le yamjita ngizole into enjani. And that's one thing that like asna like he almost reminds me of uThembazwane yangithola into enjani. Thembazwane is that type of player mfethu. He can like ukhona ukuspanisa ibody yakhe yangithola into enjani. Akhona ukushavula nje idefender nje just like that sekathene ngayo yangithola, like akuna skill la, it was just strength nje yangithola, test of body yangithola kanjalo sekaphumile. Ukhona ukuthi mfethu umgayi awkward pass yangithola because uyasinamehlo ayi4 yangithola into enjani. Sekabonile ukuthi kumele iyeva yangithola into enjani. Execution down always like on point yangithola into enjani. Because igame yazolo it was a difficult game yangithola, more especially for a player like MasterChef, because in there in that number 10 role and it's congested there angithola into enjani kumele ube namehlo ayi-4 yangithola. I think the way he did it intanga he did it with ease in fact. I was so impressed in fact. You know, yesterday there was a game where I said to myself ukuthi it's like this position in fact, Master Chef in fact, I am master at this position. I can finally see what Hugo Broos is seeing in Master Chef in that position in town. We know what he doesn't have the legs, but what he has, it's a tech, and he has his stature to accompany that with him, He uses his body very well, in fact. And I like ama one to work, no really mufuking, You can see they look like, to Ejimin, I always have that favorite player. Lothanda ukuthi mabathi see maybe 3v3 yangithola into enjani. La mfethu like ufuna ukudlala no daddy yangithola. They strike me as ama player like mabangena ejimin like ngifuna ukudlala nonemo yangithola into enjani. So beautiful intanga from Master Chef mfethu. I don't know what you think of him.
Let him cook.
Yeah.
Let him cook.
Always cooking, thing.
Yeah.
Mina, I'll still say this, young son. You need as an 8. Because like uzoshlupha like going offensive. If maybe Sinorida as a 10, we have him. Yabona like bayakhona ukutholana. Even Tito mayekhona bayakhona ukutholana. Because I think what you saying ngabe Jimini, yazi football intelligent. If now if udlala idisk. Ita ziyazana ziyapikana yangithola. I think they feel that because they understand ukuthi even ngifaka la I can trust to read ukuthi uzoyibeka because they play inside spaces. I think yesterday he was so wonderful yangithola ushayile nasepalini. I'm surprised, I'm not surprised ukuthi ucoach umkhiphile because like naye like ngitanga umoya. I think sometimes unokumshaya kunalapho umbuthuma athi asivaye yabona yakana hayi man yangithola but like
but yabholo le ayifuna iplay ne pace
into engisho amanye ama player ngawagale yanto but I think he had a good game yangithola ngizama ukuhlanganisa lapha endishini ukuthi athole something yangithola but naye ngamguy 10 because I wouldn't cry kakhulu ukuthi uyenze mistake lana ini wanted to score, you saw the hunger. I think uyapheka lo yamjida
he's cooking
and washing the dishes.
Yazi into eshoda kayo nje ngathi angalihlaba ngaphakathi nje yazi
goal
nje
that's the only thing
just nje the cherry on top nje yabo
yeah.
And I think intona like once he gets one they'll come.
Sure.
And you'll see he's going to score a beautiful goal, a long range. Wakora ubheka angeke ashaye nje like isiduzana. Uzoshaya long range because like he always tries them.
No, but ne technique ikhona man, just unlucky nje. Yazi man sometimes udinga luck nje.
Awuthi mama uyobona umbule like uyayidlala iposition 10 from SuperSport. Ukuthi ngimka like uyombona empethu mekasha amabhenga right man.
Sure.
Usazowathola.
Ne. But I think na like he must sometimes because like for Nandana like he wants to score a perfect goal.
Sure.
Like it always what we play grande one so sometimes in fact you just close your eyes and put your foot through that ball.
I know winning.
I know winning but really ngithola na izolo it was last thole amnandi khona he tried to kill it ngithola for a person of his stage, I think if I find power nje technique unayo ngithola it's a given ngithola angawasha ama-goal ngithola.
I think nama free kick nje kumele ngibe bamtest ngoba technique is there.
Yeah.
Can give us something.
Ne. Yeah, hlamla wani leading out sometimes abe greedy nyana man. Ngithola kirele yezwa. I think you know sometimes it can work for you.
Ndaba dibaya no uthi bona lebo hotho la. Ngithola lang le list. Umre maborile yabo police.
Yo.
You'll see like playing for this patch it's a very heavy patch ngithola. So wona libo masanganye libona nitsohla penalty. Give it to me. Ngithola kirele. He knows okay at least in 5 games in I'm on 3 goals until it's not bad until like it because as I always say if the team is not doing good until those are the players that we're going to start to look at. Wow, you are a creative player, but you have 1 assist. You want to
Sure.
you hardly scoring. You want to like
I think the opposition fans also that's what they prey on.
yes,
So
yes,
at the
yes,
end,
yes, yes.
it will be say na moral if you.
It always a moral one. So I can easily start that narrative. So
Sure.
then since I be creating man. So
Yeah.
all you've been getting these free kicks. These boys are not scoring.
Sure.
Like, give it to me. Yeah, you guys I haven't been scoring.
Yeah.
Or I Jimmy or okay. Hurry, give my free kick. Sha 5 figure shy 5.
Arbo, sure.
Whoever scores the most takes them. Well,
Yeah,
for this week, next week another challenge. 5v5. Right? So like
Yeah.
I think he can get numbers into his game. And so Kokomelo nintanga right Toma Raifit.
Ash. But the dynamites come in small packages.
Yeah.
That guy is a dynamite. Ndanga.
Yeah.
Ndanga, guys, Mapagania, did you see that assist? I'm pegang okunye bafethu that assist is mfethu so ithola le La Liga EPL.
Yeah.
Not in South Africa, but really we let La Liga and EPL close to us.
Yeah.
Yesterday I think he had a good game. I was glad to see the element of Vala. There is no one who's okushaya Vala njengorele. I was glad to see the boy ukuthi hayi sekayabuya uyangithola like it's him uyangithola ama injury mewambhayizisa but it's really after all retiring. Retiring. But like I think he had a great game Tanga. I can't fault him on anything. He wanted to score. Ile player in a plan mfethu.
Yeah.
Ile player in a plan mfethu. I hear you about numbers if the team is not doing well in. I mean, I care about good football. If you're contributing to a team positively, even if you do not have numbers, but you have a point. But I think he has been contributing so well since Afigile. And yesterday, he was also a vital player for us. You even said he was your man of the match.
Sure.
I think it was Hoto and then really for me yesterday. That's what I saw. He really played so well.
Yeah.
I'm kind.
Really star.
That's on a roller coaster.
I know. I think Nami Mfana ungiimpressile boy Zolo. He was also, as I said, he was my man of the match.
Yeah.
I'm fit to, I really am fit to write Toma Raifit. I'm fit to
Yeah.
pure talent. I'm fit. Yeah, I love that boy.
Yeah. Well, I think Mele Simbi's a semi-assist. I think you once mentioned it to good team fitting a semi-assist. So like, that assist to Wotum fit. That deserves to be the actual assist.
Sure.
All in danger. Let's be honest, in fit.
So that bala kara MLS.
Yeah.
Yeah, but our account.
It's economies.
Sure. Okay, I wanna really the way Shailenga thing.
Yeah.
Really wanna assist. Le wotona assist.
Oh,
Yeah. We check kara MLS.
Okay.
Yeah.
gosh. Was it in the bottom? But I never channel the relay off. Let me pass some lambo.
Yeah, not knowing if by check.
Ofa, to see me assist the fella.
I think maybe by check or maybe I less smart because I don't think they always apply it on all the calls. Sometimes Nalobana system to you one.
Okay.
Well, it's not
Okay.
always or by two, but I don't really know the rule behind or Spanish one.
Oh, okay. Hey, look, create a lot of controversy. Because I want to street rule or so. It
Sure.
will depend on individual perspective for it. Now I saw this as a good semi-assist.
Sure.
Someone will come and say, but not for me.
I want. I will check it. In Spanish one.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be interesting. But we can definitely say Real Relay deserves to be in the
Yeah.
level.
Yeah, definitely.
The vision behind it, if it goes.
Yeah.
I don't think. I think 95% of the stadium, we didn't see it coming. But so like
And remember, Renaki, I was looking at Rotle Shagodi.
yeah.
I want my shanting a Lenaki Tizi. And Bona Hotwasala perfect.
I saw it.
You saw it.
I
You saw it.
I saw it. I ain't in Shasha.
Plus,
That's one. I saw it. And like credit to Hoto Foot.
Yeah.
Indlela gijima ngayo Rayman. But I saw it, bafethu. Ileyo 5%. Ngiyanitshela mapakane, I saw that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you believe Mr. Mlambo?
uyibonile unemo
Mina ngishashaya mfethu uthi if ngiyibonanga ngizokutshela ngiyibonile le yato.
Yeah.
angiyakwazi bewishaya ntwana yami nawe egroundini
Emabure isha kakhulu.
I don't think Utulena saw it coming. Okay, of course,
You don't
because he
think
made the
Koto
run.
saw it
eh?
coming?
sure
He made the run. But I'm thinking, like, to you can make the right, like, literally, if it to, like, we are Pambili making a run. Like, to play it in that, like, you also would see there's a pass there. But the way he played it, Mr. Mlambo, like, to, but like, defender now is already anticipating
To the side.
to run towards him. And we sharp on naive, young Joel in danger.
Yeah.
Also, I think now he was taking a touchline run. And then when he realized which is coming this
Sure.
way, defender now,
I
young Joel in danger.
I doubt he saw it. Magneta da. If he
Yeah.
was taking an outside run, mekangeka ulithole le ball because ibhola magneta liyahamba ndanga.
And our
Ibona
ball is
bajima
perfect.
bonke. This guy is trained to get. So uyazi ukuthi if ukhokhomela unuphethe ibhola la,
Sure.
uzolishala.
and ziyacavana leziya
Bayacavana.
Now that ball when I coast is perfect to a sense or even if half it never it's to a corner it of like Emira
Ikhuhle, sure.
ball was perfect
It was.
so like it was but it's a good point to because I remember at some point to pull around the police must go to the other side
to the right
relay
yeah.
must come to
Sure,
the side
sure.
and so like
Yeah.
I think that chemistry is always there as well and so
yeah
uthe umkanga ke
Urile.
Yeah.
Ngika 10.
10 out of 10
Yeah, 10.
moving on to Umremi.
Muremi, angazi ubani uthi he had a good first half of PhD or ubani.
Yeah.
For me, sometimes unokuyenza like poor decisions. Boy like is always there and I love the boy. Yangithola. It's good like uyazithemba kakhulu and it's good for him to be created because like he has been doing so well for us.
Yeah.
Yangithola ukuthi ashaye always does that. But yesterday like mina I was frustrated ngaye because I know he can give us izinto ezigrand. There was a count esiyitholile. I think enzakale kayi2. Pass the ball ngo right mfethu. Ufuna ukuyipush uzavaleleke ekhoneni. There was a time mela shaya ngo right ufuna ukuza ku left like lezo zinto lezo bafethu sometimes they are necessary but ngeke ngimshaye kakhulu yangithola but like I think yesterday it was not his game dang. It was not his game for me it was average for the Muremi which I know like makes izinto ezi right mfethu second half I didn't see him ukuthi meka kuphi
Yeah.
I won't lie to you.
And I said it ukuthi he was our most dangerous player for me yangithola.
Yeah.
But now as well I can go the same line and say that doesn't mean ukuthi he was having a brilliant game yangithola into njani. Like you could see ukuthi it's just like one pass away yangithola or one shimmy away yangithola to getting a goal or getting a shot on target yangithola. He tried a lot of things yangithola of course mfana like let's be honest they didn't come out yangithola.
Yeah.
And I think impact na ukuthi makadlala no Apolisi has that discipline to say if I start on the right I'll play on the right no matter what. Okay, I'll call riding mhlambe kayi1 yangithola and go to the left mhlambe 5 minutes yangithola. But urile mfethu like he quickly called him yangithola ukuthi if let's change sides yangithola into enjani. And we all know ukuthi on the right that's not his position yangithola. When he's on the right uzokufrustrate yangithola. But for me he still tried. He went to the right. He still tried yangithola. He looked dangerous. Although that final touches, those final touches were not there. Ghost, what do you think of Muremi yesterday?
yeah I think in ntwana room kaya average 5
Yeah,
average, yeah.
5.
I was looking more at a 6.
Yeah,
I think in Ntwana the effort was there. He kept on popping up. Even if he made a mistake or it didn't come out, he would come back on the ball again. And that's what I want from an attack. So for now, for the effort, I'll give him a 6.
A 6.
Yeah.
I agree with the 6. Let's just go with the 6, Mr. Mlambo. Moving on to Mbuthuma.
I think umuntu engamuphi 6 ntanga. Mbuthuma is a striker mfethu. what I like about Umbuthuma, the striker, if he's not having a good game, you wouldn't see him a boxing. He's
Yeah.
always there, always trying to fight, always trying to hit. Thola amabhola engakho izolo to score. Muremi naye kunalela libuyisile uze uthi penalty.
Yeah.
Yangithola. That's what I like about Umbuthuma. Master Chef lapho badlala ibhola phezulu.
Yeah.
Akalichestile nithi mela shy. Mina it was impossible ukuthi ashaye la yangithola cause miliza la.
Yeah.
But like for him uhlala khona. Yangithola. And that's what I like about the boy. Sometimes nalapho bamphasa khona, taking the ball to the side, running to the post. I think it's strength sakhe. I think
Yeah.
yesterday was just unfortunate not to score. Yangithola. But I think he was supposed to score like amabhola aze kuye abhaya like for ukuthi akore, but angeke ngikhale kakhulu because ibhola mina ngafiki kuyizolo kakhulu.
Yeah.
But I think he's the type of striker that's still gonna give us a lot of goals.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Most
Yeah.
definitely.
Definitely. His performance yesterday.
I wouldn't complain a lot, in fun. I think I like the effort. I think I agree with the 6. But yeah, I'm fun. Now for Mbuthuma, I'm just looking at the future. That boy has a bright future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And then now for Mbuthuma, like we know he's different to Evidence Mahopa and so.
Yeah.
He's not a type of striker that will be in the game, young Tola. Have a lot of touches, young Tola. He knows his strength, young Tola, is to score goals, young Tola. And he's always in and around sniffing, young Tola. He's a snipe, young Tola.
Yeah.
Just that they didn't fall to him. And okay, now he has a good jump on him, as PhD said, young Tola. He has a bit
high
of
jump.
height, young Tola.
Yeah.
But those balls that we were trying to play in the first half, like Moe, they didn't really help him because the two central defenders, it's cheap and huge guys and very massive, tall and so on.
Sure.
And I was showing Mr. Mlambo at some point. Where if you look at Mbuthuma, you got to like ukort if defender and we kept on trying to do the same thing and it didn't work.
Sure.
I'm glad I realized it in the second half and tried to change the approach and so. It wasn't his game yesterday and so I think it was decent and so I think I agree with the rating. Moving on to the first sub on Evidence Mahopa.
Mwana tonight.
Yeah.
Mwana says. I think Ndanga like Mwana says is coming back. He's scoring goals now.
Yeah.
Not a lot of goals, but he's scoring. And I think Amapagania will eventually understand him. Ugutu Uban. You understand? I think we will get used to him. Because le player Kemage Itola right. He becomes so nice now. Because like he also got an assist in Nomtajela is all. Njengoba ngene second half.
Yeah.
Lapho ayishaya Nomtajela, I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Great run there kayitholile like to get it there. Amabhakani asiyazi ahlala khala ngokuthi uManasseh is not always on the box for him to be there and for him to start scoring goals. I think naye yamkhulisa imorale yakhe, and I'll say this again. Make angada esquadini. Umbheke every time make buya. Think uHugo unento akanayo for yena. Yangithola ukuthi boy, I believe in you. You can do it, Yangithola. And I think he has been doing so well in recent times, and then him scoring, it's good for us. I think he had a great game yesterday. Nanga desikhathi lesi sincane akasingenile, I'll give him an 8.
Yeah. I agree with you, Mfethu. He had a good game, Mfethu, Yangithola. And I mean, and you know, sometimes you become frustrated to say yes, it's always on their side, it doesn't really work, but when it works, like it becomes so beautiful because like he's able to figure like Amayama player he came in, and I think yesterday was one of those games, although like more often than not it doesn't work, but when it works you must give him flowers, like he gives us a different dimension because you know what we have Umbuthuma, who is a box striker, Mabasa similar profile, him at least he asked like different questions to each defense, when it works in fact it's brilliant, and I agree with the rating, Moving on to Kehleni Makaula, player we haven't seen in a long time. Ngithola into
Sibadala sibancane. The
Yeah.
black ball number 8 intanga.
Yeah.
Bheka, I'm happy to see you Makaula ntanga.
Yeah.
It's been a long time mfethu and ikhehla leliya. You must know that.
Yeah.
So ngeke abuye yangithola he still has to work. I think I'm happy to see him ukuthi sekabuyile namabhakaniya like indlela amjabulele ngayo.
Yeah, great
It's good
reception.
yangithola cause like he has been doing so well for us middle field of the season. Ushidu PhD. Why they're saying middle field of the season? Because he was retaining a lot of balls in Tanga to answer them.
Yeah.
Yangithola, and they still going to retain a lot of balls for us to take the league. At least it's jabulile ukumbona. Yesterday nothing much was done from his side. Nothing marvelous, Yangtola. There are mistakes, as I said, but I can give it to him, Yangtola. It's been long since I didn't guy average.
Average performance, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was an average performance, and as you said, in Tanga, like it was nice to see Amapagania giving him a good reception. Young Jordan, was these long-term injuries in fact to like as I'm a fan, sometimes you don't know the impact they have on the player. Young Jordan.
Yeah.
Think of him like psychologically when he's sitting there, he's thinking to he's how old now, 35, 36.
I'm tall.
He's thinking to himself, if I don't come back this season, then where's the future for me in this Orlando? Even not even Orlando Pirates.
In football.
In his career, young Zol in Tunjan. So I was happy to see him coming back as well. In fact, after winning midfielder of the season, and then the following season, he have a season like this. In fact, almost half of the season, young Zola, it's went by without him, young Zola. And at least he comes when we have a crisis. So Sithlendudi is not there, young Zola. We having talent. The talent is trying to cover up lesser space, young Zola. I think it was an average performance as well. Was it nice to see Kehleni coming back yesterday?
I'm fit to cash, in fact. It was very, very refreshing, in fact.
Yeah.
Yeah, we missed him a lot. I think, as I said, we were happy to see him back and die as well. It would have been nice to see Nda get some minutes as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Average performance. Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah, we can give him a 5. But yeah, I think we understand why. It's just his first game back.
Yeah.
When also
So it's expected.
yeah, it's just 30 minutes. So yeah.
What do you think of the coach like bringing him in on the game of that tempo? We need a goal. We need you to give us 100%. Because obviously, when you come from a long-term injury on a coast, okay, I'm not a doctor, but I'm assuming the medical staff are saying, okay, he's match fit.
Sure.
But gradually he must, he must not go on, he must breathe.
Sure.
I'm thinking that was the advice to the coaching staff. Okay, he's ready, but give him 10 minutes then, give him 15 minutes so that he gets his fitness back. For the coach to bring him in when we need a goal, and he came in on 61 minutes. It's a lot of time to play after coming back from a long-term injury.
Yeah, I think it's about 30 minutes. Yeah. I think Namfetu, Akuju Anamgenya was like, ish, but we need like a goal, like we need more forward players or what.
Yeah.
But like also, I think maybe Koju Nesai plan, or like cash out looking like 60 minutes. So it just depends on 60 minutes are so totally goal. Yeah, so yeah, ish. Yeah, but it's fun at the end, so we just complain here.
I know, it worked. Moving on to Sinapolis in down. Yeah.
As in Tanga, when you know you're good, but you're humble.
Yeah.
You're speaking about him. Tanga, ngilibonile la goal ngeke. Ngeke mfethu.
Yes.
Like lo muntu ulibekile nje Tanga.
Yeah.
Tanga, that's a player of the season. Sorry. Yabo ngiyavumelana nabo bonke. Tanga, for you to be a player of the season, you must be consistent. Even if you're not scoring or doing what, but you must be consistent. I think asayiqhubeke ngeke ngiqede ngoMessi umguy 8.
Okay, 8.
Yeah.
So do you think coach dropped him for this Do you think he dropped him, or do you think he was trying to rest him?
Rest him. Squad rotation.
Yeah.
It was squad
Rest
rotation
him.
for you.
The guy has been playing so a lot.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
And
so
apart we
as well.
said it, we see this game cheaper. It must introduce
Abantu
some of the
ababhayi.
French players. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. And I was happy to see Udlamini as well coming back with Shevchenko. Shevchenko naye, Shevchenko man, sometimes it's lazy man. I'm sorry, hey, sometimes it's lazy man, Shevchenko man. I'm sorry, like how.
Mina ngizosho.
Yeah.
Hayi no PhD ushilo. Hayi wonke umuntu untangamela asebenze kanzima. Not everyone. Yazi intanga mina kutshela uShevchenko angajima ekuseni emini ntambama. Usazokupha yona lento akakupha yona. Nasi. Ngiyakutshela, yabo uShevchenko kawo. Kunalawo ma player 16 ngiyacaba ukuthi lena nje like he's always depending ku technical abilities zakhe. Hayi ukuthi ngoba akathandi like to give us amanye ama elements. But unjalo. Yabona le free kick isikhala ngayo ukuthi uShevchenko ushaya kanjani. Uyadlala. If uyithola right le yanto you'd say wow.
Yes, that's a
Uyabona?
problem ngama player afana nabo Shevchenko.
Unja uOzil.
When it
bafethu.
doesn't.
Yabo Ozil
Yeah.
mfethu, Ozil mfethu.
Yeah.
You can go whatever. Like you support Arsenal at least. That's nice. Sometimes Ozil, hey, Ozil this Mara is like that. Uyangithola?
Sure.
I think that's Shevchenko kawo.
It's interesting you mentioned Ozil in
Yeah.
because Ozil we've always known him. But Ghost I know you knew like Ozil like from the Santana Ali Munyano and so on. And I remember you used to say Ntani is lazy so
Yo, I was so fast and
one so like
sneaky fast.
so when I was like Mr. Mlambo, it's interesting you mention Ozil. I remember you saying that before I followed him grand.
Sure.
And then I started to follow and it got follow and it's that lazy play.
Yeah, of course not.
But there was a period.
In the
one thought-
Madrid.
Yeah.
There was
But
a-
kuMadrid bekangcono nyana.
Yeah. There was a period in Donna, like after like that notion or Ozil slow. There was a season if it or Ozil if it was running, if it like if it
Proving your point.
like once all like you could see where this guy if it is been told or if it was working, if it, we need you to put in effort.
Sure.
Once all like that guy was running everywhere. I was surprised or if it Ki Ozil once all like that.
But and I was like, yeah, you can easily say what Mr. Mlambo is saying, ka Tito. But look at the effort that Tito puts in.
Yeah,
Tito Lena can be a lazy player.
Sure,
similarly to Shevchenko.
Sure.
And do all those technical abilities that you're talking about.
yes.
But yeah, he
But
puts in the
Let's be as
effort.
cool men qiniso.
Yeah.
Tito is not technical good njengoShevchenko. Like you can say whatever. Tito is good.
Yeah.
Yangithola is my favorite player. But Tito uyabona ispan lapha ya.
Yeah.
Span. Ebafethu uShevchenko like he's technically gifted.
Yeah.
Yangithola and I think he's depending on that. Yazi intanga mawukhula like yazi intanga ukuthi but wena uyinja. Yangithola when we like ila lo muntu is 29 years old now. You can't change that person now.
Ozil was
Noma ngayenza.
Ozil mfethu
Ah,
that
but
time was around 28
I doubt.
similar age.
I doubt
And
it
mfethu wabona Mr. Mlambo I mentioned already like u mention like it's psychological wanthola.
Yeah.
Answer wena mfethu we know wanthola unja wanthola
Sure.
when you know the player to put in effort. Sometimes it gets to you.
Yeah.
But I'm not saying well, you can see your naturally vele is a guy who doesn't put too much effort until like it even when he
Oh noma ifaka ngathi akayifakanga.
until like it but if it, now I'm still saying if it, you can put extra 15-20% of energy there. You can inject that in your game until
Mina bafethu ngisasho. Noma ngajima ekuseni emini ntambama uzokupha lento uShevchenko.
yeah. Let us know more Pagani of it. Shevchenko, is he a lazy player by birth or is someone that can
Ungathi lazy player mfethu, a fancy player.
fence?
Yeah, fancy. Yeah, fancy ndaba. Yonke into ayenzayo nje yangithola fancy. Yeah.
I is lazy, but it's not laziness. It's fancy but lazy. So, and we didn't see Umbokazi in fact.
Yeah.
Obviously at the moment nothing has been confirmed, or what?
Yeah.
But through rumors, I think McClellan, shout out to him. I think he was the first journalist to break the story. In danger that Bigeze Mbokazi is going to USA playing with the likes of Messi, Busquets, in danger, and the likes, in danger. So thoughts on those rumors?
I think the boy deserves to go mfethu.
Yeah.
Anyway, akaphumi intanga like e-country.
Yeah.
Yazi it's like what? Abantu bazohlala bakhuluma ukuthi uyodlala kuphi. Yabona ntanga mawusendaweni eyi-one.
Yeah.
It's difficult to explore. Yangithola. If him goes like ntanga out yaseNatal,
Yeah.
khulele Natal. Akaye kwamanye ama-country and then get to experience that. We need that as a country. I mean, I'm one of those, I'm happy for the guy. If those news are true, I'm happy for the guy. Akahambi ntanga represents.
Yeah.
Hey, naysayers, they can say whatever they want to say. But I'm happy for the guy. He deserves it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool story you think of the move?
Yeah, I think for me, Ntwana is life changing more than anything.
Yeah.
Wabo. I think for me, if you get that chance, you don't know, it could be the last one.
Yeah.
Wabo. So by all means, take it.
Yeah.
It's gonna change his life, and also, you don't know, how football can be.
Yeah.
You deny that opportunity, you get an injury, and you can't play football again. You are at the bench now. You can't make it back into the starting lineup.
Yeah.
Pick up shy.
It can be something else. Or nakongwe you get that offer, you get there. How feels like and that's where you're gonna get like the scouts go Europe where you've been wanting to go.
Yeah.
I mean, Vietnam makile Messi, and what's a Messi kiautejwa. I makile mole antle muna. Come Kenya into Rama never fit. Kiyombogazi gai. Obone mbogazi saya Spain. But overall, I'm happy for the boy. That's what we want. Yeah.
I think the PhD in Donna he put it very well. In fact, to say if it's
You can go ahead. I'm just laughing.
I'm still just laughing.
PhD mfethu, go on. Speak about it.
I'm not a PhD.
A lot.
I got work a PhD that I
That's
really
my-
goosebumps.
But like the way Ntanga he explains, it's good to hear someone explain ibola kamnandi because uyafunda kakhulu, siyafunda bafethu.
With intelligence.
Yeah.
The guy has a PhD in football analysis.
Samba kubo N4, N5.
Yeah, and then like as he said, if it's like PhD from where he's coming from, and so like in such a short space of time, and then,
Sure, yeah.
wow,
Yeah.
like this is what God can do for you, and so like and take you from. I think he Asanda who once said, to me now, I know TLP,
Sure.
and I know Uti Ubuya
Yeah.
and he said, I won't mention it on a public platform like this, but now he knows where he's coming from. For that, in fact, to change just like that,
Sure.
it's interesting, and I wonder Uti. Magayese uzothatha ugogo ntwana ngeke lithabala ngeke wonke like
Kosi.
Ngiyakavumi. Umthola pushe embele
because ntwana like we shouldn't forget ntwana how old is Mbogazi ntwana like he's still a young boy ntwana like taking a young boy say fethu you're not only going but like out of the continent.
Sure.
Like you go into the world, if you go into the US, there if it like what an experience, and all the best to that into Mbokazi. I'm happy for him, and I hope it works out.
It will. Look at God.
Yeah,
It will. Look at God.
yeah,
It's working out.
but it's still early days.
But it's working out.
Yeah.
You see, the boy is happy. He's scoring for the country. Mfethu.
Yeah. As long as he's still getting the call up, it means some none.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because mapagani among why he can't just finish the season wanthola kile
Yeah, kwajabulisa amabhakane. And life changing is ughost mfethu. Endlini mfethu bazoba mnandi.
yeah. Moving on to ama-fan izolo.
My fan tweets it's always 100s as well, even 200s possible. Magnet Amara, they were here, they came to our post match. And told me balikhumbulile ibhakane.
Ne. Nje uthi uDr. Ivan Khozamela azama iplan ukuthi sivale isigodi intane.
Ayimfani. Sipress iphathini nje sivaleke.
Like because you miss some parts of the game, or
Aritsoko tsa
sure. Yeah, but 10 out of 10 agree. And then uReverend Ntanga Skhumbuzo Gaza.
Ngikhale kakhulu angithola. There were mistakes, but he's also a human being. I don't think he did Spanish.
I didn't interfere too much.
Yeah, I didn't do make kumela gama yellow card wakayile talent embatha deserves it angithola le yellow card vele. I think I'll give him a 7 then.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
But I think man, the linesman also deserves a shout, man.
Yeah, must go
Yeah. Let's give them a 9 year, man, at least. Man. They kept the game flowing.
Yeah. Guy.
Didn't complain too much. I will just give them a 9.
Yeah.
And then we have Devon City coming up to Kevin Hunt. You know how stubborn he is, Kevin Hunt, in danger. And I think it's going to be a tough game for us, how would you like to see you coach as a tapper for this one?
I mean, it won't be a tough game for us. I haven't watched Devon City, and I know Kevin is stubborn. I haven't seen about it once.
Yeah.
Laba bathi ukuhlangana manje laba ipiki le yayizolo le ibe tough bavinjola uDarren Kitty. Ngizwa ngeke mfethu. Mfethu siyowina lapha kamnandi nje.
Helicopter football.
Mfethu lapha
ukhuluma njengoJunior Khaya. Kajele yabuka phela.
Kanjani mfethu? Mara kanjani? Bavinjola uDarren Kitty mfethu. Udarren Kitty 2016 ngadlala kubafana bafana. Maybe now ije ukuthi uretired manje.
Yeah.
Mfethu somkoka lapha kamnandi sowina kamnandi. The team iqeda ukuhlangana. Mina ngithukanga that's usha abantu ntangawo. I'll want to coach ukuthi I introduce ama player lokho angadlali. I like to see uMakhawula angena nondala if possible abangene ntanga. Let them get game time because we're going to a final uyangithola. Just let's rest other players ukuthi like arrest and siqhubeke ngalama player lokho angadlali. Maybe we can have 6 or 7 laba balokhu badlala but Tito coming back ngajabula ukumbona naye.
Ne?
Yeah.
Ghost, would you rotate like Mr. Mlambo mfethu? What do you think of this governance team? Do you think it's lightweight?
Yeah, I don't think it's lightweight because I'm saying by Kevin until experience. I think I'm looking at it to be a bit of a difficult game.
Yeah.
Considering Lore coach will probably also want to bring in the fringe players as well, maybe Baso Cheling Amnate. So I don't think it will be an easy one. But yeah, at the end I know we'll prevail.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Lena, I wouldn't want to see too many changes until
Sure.
Kithleni, I think it's still too early, man, to give him a start now, man. Until let's just keep on with the Lena it's tricky because Lena, you know, is injury prone. He can fall down anywhere, and if there's too much at stake, if it's not just finalists, AFCON, this World Cup is, you know. So I'm confused. I'm glad I'm not the coach.
This job is difficult.
This job is difficult. And I think VHD mentioned already. See, it's not even a defender. Let's try in the sense of
find
yeah. And then moving on goes to our locks.
Okay, look, mapagania njengoba singatholanga i-correct score. We just got the correct prediction, meaning wonke umuntu uzokhuphuka nga 1 point.
So matches played manje sesiku 18 and then total points fire ku 22, uNengo ku 19 and then uGhost ku 15. Yeah, isase tight bafethu. Tight.
Mapakani uGhost athi tight bafethu.
How uyiboni wena?
Yeah, I think we can move on to predictions against Durban City. Obviously, I'll go first because no number one.
Put mistake umzile.
That's it. Don't jump out of nowhere.
That's good.
Yeah, it's 2-1 to Orlando Pirates.
2-1.
It's a 3-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Umthatha one. Where did you get the one?
Yeah,
We tata one.
you'll see it. You'll see it on our next podcast. We'll discuss that one.
Nice, so one.
Let's respect China bafethu.
Yeah,
Yeah, mina mapakani ngithi 2-0 daddy.
Tony.
Hayi 2-0 daddy.
Do you have any idea or Lokora Mambutuma maybe?
Eish. I want really, man. I want really on the score sheet.
On the score sheet.
Yeah.
That's Master Chef.
The chef wants to. Then it would be a brilliant game. But we can go to the final.
All right. Mapagania, there you have it, Bafethu. I think we are done, Bafethu. Mapagania, thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, Bafethu. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mr. Mlambo, any last words?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We get dealing going.
Yeah.
Siyabonga mapakania. Bupa.